here it is. 2010 Harley 48. 48 has the fatter front wheel, peanut tank. Got an awesome deal on this bike down here. Awesome deal. Low miles, super low miles. Doesn't look like it has low miles. It was left outside for a year. You can definitely see it was definitely left outside for a year. Some spray paint there to hide whatever corrosion or rust that was on the bike. Push out rods right there. Spray painted. I'm gonna be removing the tank. Have a new tank being painted right now. And me and my buddy that does the painting for me, I think we're gonna take this tank and we're gonna do a custom paint job on it, and we're probably gonna sell it, maybe give it away. I don't know. I think a giveaway would be pretty cool. I'd be documenting everything I do to this bike fully. Do some tutorials for you guys. But the plan I have for this bike is insane. Insane. If you follow me on Instagram, you see my 2013 fully customized. But this one is gonna be second to none. 1275 kit. Different tires, maybe different rims, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, overall, awesome bike. Runs great, low miles, and the build that I'm about to do on this thing is gonna be insane. This thing's not even gonna look anywhere near what it looks like right now when I'm done with it. So yeah, like, subscribe, and stay tuned.